Evening, Carl from Bay Divers. We're a small club and dive school located in Wales in our 15th year of operation. Every year we take a group of divers away to holiday destination and a liveaboard. It's our second trip now with Emperor. Last one was in Egypt last year, and this year we found ourselves on a sensational liveaboard in the Maldives. Just want to say how amazingly professional Emperor have been. From our arrival in the country, being met by the dive guides, escorted to the vessel. The crew have been incredible. The food's been amazing, but hey, we're not here just for the food. The diving's been out of this world, and it really has been. You know, we've had sharks almost every dive. Sensational night dive last night with at least 5 manta rays buzzing around. And we're looking forward to doing more with Emperor. We're looking at an Egypt liveaboard next year, in the final stages of getting that booked up. But after experiencing this, I think it's a must to get back here. Or, as we've discovered today, Emperor also do a liveaboard in Indonesia. We're certainly up for giving that a sample too. So well done, Emperor, well done team. It's been amazing, thank you.